Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. This driver makes an unsafe lane change, gives the finger and speeds off. Who needs rules when you can make your own? I guess I really need a rear camera to catch those idiots who hit from behind. Don't worry, I have brakes. You can go now. Just another day driving in the Bay Area. I don't know why you're driving like this. Why use mirrors when you can be stupid, right? Seems like they've got places to be. Someone was in a rush to go basically nowhere. Do you think they had a good time at the casino? This driver stops for no reason, then runs a red light badly. Riding a scooter on the highway isn't safe, especially when you don't care about others. This idiot blows through a stop sign while looking at her phone. I guess the driver has no time to stop the car for him, so just jump from here. This idiot attempts a triple pass on a curve in a no passing zone. Not every truck driver is an idiot, but every idiot likes to have a truck so they can do this. Imagine owning a bigger van and not being able to drive it normally.
I want to see you pull it out.
That's why I don't count the Japan trip.
Damn, brother!
What the
What the bro?
Bro, did
Have fun counting the idiots I encountered in just 1.5 days.
A few moments later. Three days later. Six and a half hours later.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.